Hey YouTube friends, in this video I will walk you through how you can create your own clothing labels at home for your clothing brand. I am a swimwear designer and creator for my swimwear line, MCNY Swim. I create my own branding labels. Creating my own labels not only saves me money, but I know that I will be getting exactly what I want since I'm the one creating them. First, you will need to go to canva.com. Once you are there, type clothing label in the search bar. You will find tons of high quality clothing label templates that you can customize. Search through until you get to the one that you like, then hit the Customize This Template button. This will open your very own copy to customize. As you see here, you can add your logo and any other elements that you want on your label. The labels that I create from my swimwear line, I print them out myself using a process called direct to film printing. If you would like more information about that, or if you would like to see a video about how I print and transfer my labels onto my garments, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Subscribing will let me know that you want to see more of my content. The more subscribers I get, the more content like this I will create.